Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have a new video for you all. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and use a Tinder app, a complete guide for you all. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For that matter, let's go ahead and open our Tinder app first. So once we open our Tinder app, what we will do is, first of all, yes, we'll make sure that we have created an account and we are logged in with one. And if you don't know how to create an account here in Tinder, we have already uploaded a video in our channel. Make sure to go search it up and look it up, and you can create your account if you haven't yet. Once you're done opening your Tinder, it's basically gonna look like this. You can go ahead, swipe left or right according to your need. That's basic, right? If you go above, you can see this kind of option. One is a notification bell, another one is your filter. If you tap on this notification bell, you will see all of the notification that you have got so far. And then if you tap on this filter option, you can go ahead. This way you can simply filter your settings. So let's say this distance, you can see it's here is this 50 meter. You can go ahead, adjust according to your need. Then you have age range. You can again set this according to your need, however you would like to. Then if you go down to the settings, you can again go check it out. You can go ahead, select that particular one, and you can change it to according to your need over here. Then you can see this kind of option, right? This will basically show you what is the new clubs are that you can get into. And if you tap on this icon, this will basically show you the premium where you have to purchase to see who likes you. If you go to chat box option, you will basically find all of your chats and conversations that you have done so far. If you tap on this profile icon, this will basically open your profile settings, your information, and then you will find this kind of icon, safety center, where you can check out the guides as well. You can go ahead, check out the tools. If you have to report someone, unmatch someone, you're going from any difficulties regarding the security, you can come over here and check it out. And if you tap on the settings icon, this will basically open all settings regarding your account and the Tinder. So if you go from the above, you can check your number, location, again as I showed, preferences, and then you can again see the control who you see, control my visibility. You can also change them. You can again go ahead and do a question answer events and make an events for you yourself. You can also change the distance, and then you can go ahead, purchase a particular. If you are in premium, you will find your purchase details from over here. This is basically it for you all. If you got a particular question regarding the features, to let us know in the comments below, unless I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.